Alright guys, quick update lang regarding OKX exchange issues na makikita nyo sa taas ng ICE application nyo. So hindi na natin babasahin yung buong statement, isummarize na lang natin. So sabi dito sa Twitter nila, the problem is not with receiving. They did not allow anyone outside our community to buy ICE. A lot of people tried to buy ICE and they could not find it on exchange. So this affect the whole project and everyone. Ibig sabihin yan, 5 hours before the listing noong January 19, hindi mo masa-search si ICE token sa OKX exchange kapag yung account mo is not part of the distribution. And sabi pa nila dito na we've asked them to do that but they refuse to communicate with the community exactly what is happening, and that ICE is available only to those that receive distribution. So, yung first step na ginawa ni ICE, kinausap muna nila si OKX para mag-explain sa community kung ano ba talaga yung totoong nangyari. Kaya lang, hindi naman pumayag si OKX regarding doon. That's why nagra-rant si ICE ngayon sa app nila and sa social media nila na OKX is a exchange scam. Sinabi pa nila doon na maraming exchange ang lumapit sa kanila pero nag-refuse sila kasi nga mataas yung reputation ni OKX at nagtitiwala sila dun. So ano ba yung impact nun sa community or dun sa initial listing niya? The reason kaya I think na 1 peso lang yung initial listing ni ICE is because hindi nga makapasok yung mga investor natin. Dahil hindi nga ma-search, hindi sila makapag-trade. And mapapansin nyo, 0.45 na lang yung value niya ngayon. Which is yung all-time high niya is I think 1.05. So, yeah, malaki naging impact nun. Kasi lahat ng circulating ICE, kung galing lang doon sa free mining na na-distribute, wala namang ibang pupuntahan kundi magbenta. So, the more nakokonti yung nag-hold ng ICE token, the more nababagsak yung price. Kasi pinapalit nila into USDT. And tataas lang yan kung maraming bibili ng ICE token. Kung maraming mag-hold. So, disappointed si ICE. Kasi hindi yan yung ina-expect nila na mangyayari. And majority ng prediction or yung mga sa tingin nila aabot talaga si ICE dapat ng 10 pesos to $1 or to 55 pesos. Pero hindi yun nangyari. But still, hanggang October pa yung mainnet. So mahaba pa. We still have 9 months. Let's see. I think marami pang pwede mangyari. So I suggest mag-hold kayo kahit portion nung kinita nyo sa ICE. Ayun. Thank you.